Want a clean, modern look for your gaming or workstation build? The best white PC cases combine sleek aesthetics with top-tier performance. These cases not only stand out visually but also offer excellent airflow, cable management, and build quality. Whether you prefer minimalistic designs or bold RGB lighting, there's a white case to match your setup and keep your components cool and organized. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H6 Flow. The NZXT H6 FW01 is a sleek and modern mid-tower case built for gamers who value aesthetics, airflow, and smart design. Compatible with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, this case features stunning wraparound glass panels with a seamless edge that offers a crystal-clear view of your components, perfect for showcasing your build. Its compact dual-chamber design not only enhances thermal performance but also creates a clean and uncluttered internal layout. The case includes 3 pre-installed 120mm fans strategically angled for optimal airflow, delivering strong cooling performance without the need for immediate upgrades. The top and side panels are perforated for maximum airflow while also helping to filter out dust, maintaining clean internal conditions. NZXT also simplifies cable management with wide channels and built-in straps, making the building process faster and tidier. With its minimalist design and performance-oriented features, the NZXT H6 FW01 is an ideal choice for a visually striking and thermally efficient gaming PC build. Number 2. BitFenix Nova Mesh SE. The BitFenix Nova Mesh SE4 ARGB White is a premium midi-tower gaming case designed to deliver both high-performance airflow and stunning aesthetics. Compatible with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, this case features a sleek white finish with a slide-open tempered glass side panel on a hinge, allowing for easy access while showcasing your components. It comes pre-installed with 4 addressable RGB fans and a 6+6 LED/PWM controller, fully compatible with major motherboard sync technologies like Aura SWNC, Mystic Light, RGB Fusion 2.0, and Polychrome SWNC. The high-density mesh front panel not only enhances airflow but also acts as a dual-layer dust filter, supported by additional removable filters on the top and bottom for easy maintenance. Number 3. Mustex ATX PC Case. The Mustex Y6 White is a visually stunning mid-tower gaming case designed to elevate both your setup experience and system presentation. Breaking away from the traditional black PC case design, the Y6 features dual 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panels that offer a wide, uninterrupted view of your high-end components and creative displays. Its sleek, square structure and column-free frame give it a modern and elegant appeal, while also providing excellent visibility and sound insulation. Inside, the Y6 is thoughtfully engineered with a dual-chamber layout for optimized airflow and easy cable management. The snap-on panel design allows for tool-free access, and the case supports mainstream hardware including GPUs up to 400mm, CPU coolers up to 176mm, top-mounted 360mm radiators, and PSUs up to 200mm. It's also compatible with new generation backplug motherboards for cleaner builds. The case comes equipped with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans and features magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom, along with a dedicated ventilation channel for the power supply, ensuring efficient cooling and reduced dust accumulation. For connectivity, it includes a high-speed I/O panel with USB 3.2, Type-C, and USB 3.0 ports, enabling fast and versatile device access. Number 4. F600 PC Case. The Fokin F600 is a high-performance, visually striking white PC case designed for gamers and enthusiasts who want both exceptional airflow and a clean, modern aesthetic. Featuring a 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel, this case offers an expansive, unobstructed view of your internal components, making it ideal for showcasing high-end hardware builds. The hinged glass side panel ensures easy tool-free access and also provides effective sound insulation for a quieter workspace or gaming setup. Inside, The F600 boasts a dual-cabin layout and generous space for powerful components. It supports ATX, Micro ATX, and ITX motherboards, GPUs up to 400mm, CPU coolers up to 170mm, and ATX power supplies up to 220mm. Storage options include mounts for either one HDD and one SSD or two HDDs, along with 10 expansion slots, 7 plus 3, 4 flexible upgrade options. With its stylish glass design, strong cooling capacity, and builder-friendly features, the Fokin F600 is a top-tier choice for those who want a performance-ready case that also turns heads. Number 5. Vetroo AL900 ATX PC Case. The Vetroo AL900 is a striking white mid-tower gaming case designed for enthusiasts who want both high performance and a stunning display. Featuring an immersive 270 degrees full-view tempered glass design, it offers an unobstructed view of your PC's components and RGB lighting, making it perfect for showcasing your build. Built with an innovative YTX interior layout, the AL900 supports hidden connector motherboards for a clean, cable-free appearance and improved airflow. Despite its sleek look, the case is highly spacious, supporting ATX, Micro ATX, and YTX motherboards, GPUs up to 410mm, PSUs up to 200mm, and up to 360mm radiators on the top. It also accommodates up to 10 by 120mm fans, ensuring powerful and customizable cooling potential. The upgraded I/O panel includes a high-speed USB Type-C port, USB 3.0, and other essential connections, enabling fast data transfers up to 10 gigabits per second. The case comes with one rear-mounted ARGB and PWM fan pre-installed and includes a user manual and screw accessory kit.